Ready to throw in the towel? Think again. Life's a battlefield, and every setback is a challenge to conquer. When the going gets tough, dig deep and remember why you started. Your dreams demand relentless effort, sweat, and determination. Success isn't for the faint-hearted. It's about clawing your way back up every time you fall. Push harder, fight fiercer, and silence the naysayers. Your belief in yourself will turn your dreams into reality. So when you feel like quitting, grit your teeth and keep pushing. Victory is within reach, and it's waiting for those who never surrender. Struggling? Good. It means you're still in the fight. Champions never back down.